morning, everyone, and welcome to Panasonic's Green Innovation Theater. Panasonic is committed to engineering a better world through smart life solutions that enhance every area of our lives, including at home, in communities, at work, when we're on the go, and at play. It's a comprehensive vision designed to make our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable. The question of how to achieve that in a sustainable way without diminishing our quality of life is something we're all grappling with on a daily basis. At Panasonic, we are answering that question with a comprehensive strategy called Green Life Innovation. In fact, we've made a bold promise to become the #1 green innovation company in the electronics industry by our 100th anniversary in 2018. Already this year, Panasonic was ranked one of the 10 best global green brands by Interbrand, clearly on track to making good on that promise. An essential part of Panasonic Green Life Innovation is helping people to create, store, save, and manage energy. Many of the energy solutions you're about to see are already being used in homes, businesses, and communities in Asia and Europe, and just being introduced here in the US as well. So, let's begin by looking at Panasonic's vision for creating a more sustainable home. And you can see how these key concepts work, both individually and together. One of the primary solutions to create energy is harnessing the power of the sun with Panasonic's leading-edge solar power generation technology. In addition, Panasonic fuel cells are a super efficient energy source that work well even in northern regions where daily sunlight is limited. This extraordinarily efficient energy generating technology can create both power and heat. Of course, renewable energy sources like solar and wind are affected by variable weather conditions, and because the amount of power being generated fluctuates throughout the day, stabilizing and storing energy is just as essential as creating it. Panasonic lithium-ion storage batteries allow customers to do just that. Of course, the power being created might not always be needed at the time that it's generated. For example, the energy produced by your solar panels or fuel cells while you're at work during the day might not be needed until you get home. But with Panasonic storage batteries, you can time shift your use of the energy that's been created to when you actually need it, say that evening when you want to turn on your air conditioner and watch your favorite show on TV. Here in the US, storing energy is an idea that's coming to the forefront for many people. And as more and more cities and states expand their financial incentives for going green to include storage technologies like Panasonic's, it's an idea that not only makes good environmental sense, but good economic sense as well. In 2011, some of Panasonic's solutions for creating and storing energy were put to the test at the World Solar Challenge, the world's largest solar-powered car race. Powered exclusively by Panasonic solar cells and lithium-ion batteries, the vehicle created by Tokai University raced nearly 2,000 miles across the Australian outback. With standing temperatures well over 100 degrees, this extraordinary concept car took first place, a victory, not only for the team, but also for Panasonic Energy Solutions. And you can see the winning vehicle just outside this theater, so be sure to check it out. When it comes to saving energy, Panasonic has a long track record of creating innovative, energy-efficient products and devices for customers around the world, from LED lighting and home appliances to 2012's Smart Viera IPS LED TVs that are going to be Energy Star 6.0 qualified with a reduction in power consumption of approximately 25%. That's some of the lowest power consumption of any televisions on the market. But the real savings occurs when all these solutions are linked and managed with a Home Energy Management System, or HEMS, under the intelligent control of Panasonic's Smart Energy Gateway. Home appliances can be easily connected and controlled through Smart Viera devices without sacrificing comfort. SEG checks power usage conditions throughout the house to efficiently save electricity. For example, while you're preparing for a dinner party and all your kitchen appliances are in use, HEMS automatically evaluates the outside temperature and power supply and very intelligently switches the air conditioner to save mode rather than just shutting it off entirely. It also scans the whole house looking for electricity being wasted and shows you where you can become more efficient. Now, of course, all of Panasonic's energy solutions are scalable and can be expanded beyond the home for use in entire communities and the workplace, including stores, office buildings, factories, and other locations throughout society. Globally, such projects include the mega solar panel project in Italy and the world's largest solar ridge in London. Now, here in the US, solar panels are among the first products being used in these larger scale applications, and Panasonic is powering major venues like the Infineon Raceway in Northern California. When it comes to its own community and workplace here in the US, Panasonic is contributing to the revitalization of downtown Newark, New Jersey by moving its headquarters to a new, state-of-the-art sustainable building, the Riverfront Project. Panasonic will be building its headquarters to gain LEED certification, so it will further reduce Panasonic's own carbon footprint through an integrated design that includes solar panels, LED lighting, energy management systems, and many other Panasonic ecosystems.